Hi people, good morning. It's Dennis from MJ. So today I'm going to tell you about a story of a greedy dog. Long ago, there lived a dog who was a cute looking pretty dog, but he hardly used to have any food to eat. So where he used to live was a very poor place. So in search of food, he always used to cross a stream of water, and on the other side of the stream there used to be a lot of houses where he could get some food to eat. So one fine day he was very hungry, so he decided to cross the stream of water and go to the town to get some food to eat. He was very tired. He walked across the stream and reached on the other side, and after searching for a while he found a very juicy and a tasty bone. He felt very happy. He took the bone in his mouth and he thought, let's eat it here because I'm very hungry. Then he realized that in case if any of his dog friends saw him eating the bone, they would try come and grab it from him or want the bone for themselves. So what he did is he picked up the bone in his mouth and he walked back home, thinking that once he reaches home he can peacefully enjoy his bone. So he kept walking, and once he reached the stream of water, he looked into the stream, and seeing the water, he saw a reflection of another dog holding a bone in his mouth. He thought that must be another dog, and let's bark at him and take away his bone too. But he was foolish. He did not understand that it was his reflection. The moment he barked at the dog to take the other dog's bone, his own bone, which was in his mouth, fell off into the water. He became very sad, and then he realized that he just got greedy after looking at the reflection in the water. It was not true, but it was himself. Then he realized that he had done a mistake. If he wouldn't have been greedy and be satisfied with the bone he has in his mouth, he could have gone home and ate it and enjoyed it. But instead, since he barked at the other dog, thinking it was another dog to get another bone, two bones, but it was his reflection and he lost the bone he had in his mouth too. So people, always don't be greedy and jealous of what others have. Be satisfied and happy with whatever you all have, and enjoy your life each and every day. Thank you for watching and listening to MJ. To the other corner of the lake. And it's early morning. I guess it must be around 6:30 in the morning right now. So I woke up at 5:30. I was thinking, and I head out now to go and vlog. So I thought, let's do a motor vlog today. So when I was younger or smaller in age, we used to come to this lake, Kapra Lake, and back then it was very super clean. Now it's become dirty, it's become good again. They cleaned it up recently. However, the clarity which was there back then, crystal clear water, you could see the fishes, pebbles, everything underneath the water. It was that clear. Now it's good, okay, but it's not that clean. We're almost reaching the whole stretch of road. This whole road itself is the lake, and that side, the other side. So I'm heading out to the next spot now. You'll see that white shed there, white building. So I'm trying to go towards that side, maybe around the lake there, somewhere there, because I haven't gone there before. I've roamed that side, this side, or till here maybe, but haven't gone inside stretch. So I'll go and check it out and see what is there. People usually come here to fish also. To fish. Not too many fishes. Even if they catch, they'll be small ones. Not too many fishes. So this is the entrance. And I'm thinking of going there further, but I see a lot of people are going there. Okay, I'll take you all to another place. We'll try go middle of the lake. All are busy doing their work and all to pass stool. So that is the stretch I'm talking about. So I'll get out and go from here to there. It's all garbage, but garbage and seaweed. I told you that they recently cleaned up the lake, no? So this is it. But still, there's so much of pollution, plastic, and whatnot. So let's go. Let's try go inside. But it's a beautiful morning. In fact, actually, each and every day is a beautiful morning. Why? Because you're alive and you're living, you're eating, drinking, roaming, spending time with your family. That's the greatest gift of life. So each and every day is a beautiful day. There's a lot of stuff in between here. So let's go till as far as possible, maybe till the tip of the land. I'm going deeper and deeper between the lake. So till now we were there near those trees, the palm trees. Lots of birds. Because that place, till here there's a lot of wastage, garbage. As we keep going further little, it's becoming a little cleaner. Not that much, but The white building is far away there, so it's outside the lake complex. But this middle road and the other road, they want to go there as well. So first I thought that this is the first place, so let's cover this first, then I'll head out to the next location over there. But from inside, there's a metal grill which separates the lake from the outside road, so have to go within the grill. So I've come here to the tip of this lake, the middle, so I'm almost like in the middle of the lake, standing here, and the water is still far somewhere. I don't know what jumped. There are a lot of snakes, creatures, fishes, whatnot here. So just wanted to show this place because not many people know about this middle stretch, because it must have recently emerged. In fact, see this rock, this white rock, that actually the water used to be just a little ahead of it, and this entire place was dry land. But I feel that this lake and many other lakes and ponds are interconnected from underground. So whenever they have to release some water from a bigger lake or bigger pond or a dam, they release it. It all gets gathered here, because overnight the water level increases. Sometimes, many times I've seen that, noticed that. One day it'll be completely dry or very less water. The next day you come, it's filled with water, whether there's rain or no rain, but still. So let's go out. So have to walk till there, a little far, maybe 100 meters or something. So I went till inside and came out back to the bike. So I'm thinking maybe I should go inside. Hi doggy. Cute dogs. I see. I'm thinking I'll go more inside and come. Oh shit, there's no road here, I guess. So let's see. Let's go further and check it out. I think they dug up the road in the front so that vehicles shouldn't pass. Let's go and investigate. Okay, not much, it's just a small one. Okay, they must have, some big vehicle must have gone towards the edge of the lake. So they see buffaloes. They must be getting scared with the bike sound. Okay. Daily buffaloes come, they enjoy the grass, they keep eating, then they go take a dip in the water and they lay there, enjoy themselves. Okay. Okay, here's some volleyball is going on. Okay, so I think there's no road here, or even if there's a road, it's not that good. Can't go, so we have to turn around. Is they are constructing something, but it'll take time. We're playing volleyball all in the morning. Sports is the best. Any sport you play, you'll be fit and you'll enjoy, you'll relax, you'll have fun. Nowadays we hardly get to play anything because all are busy in their work, busy doing something or the other. No one has time. All have grown up. It's a nice and bright sunny morning. The winters are gone and the heat is coming in. So I went till that end, but it was closed. The road is closed. They haven't yet constructed. Maybe a year or two down the line might get constructed. So this side is this route leads us back towards our home. It's a different road, but it's pretty good. I came from the other side, so let's go. I stay at Sainikpuri, Hyderabad, India. So I'm about to reach home now. Thank you for listening and watching MJ. Have a good day. My cute doggy friends are there.